Hello there, welcome to Inquiring Minds. My name is Doug and I'm back with another Pen Resurrection Sunday video. When I was in Ontario for my wife Wynn's book launch, we hit a favorite antique shop of mine near Niagara-on-the-Lake called Lakeshore Antiques, and I found this beautiful Parker 45 pen and pencil set. Generally, I look for fountain pens that are in need of resurrection, and this set looked pristine, but I had to have it anyway. So I cleaned these 45s up, got them writing, and will offer them for sale to you Inkquiring minds out there. And I want to show you the process, so let's get started right now. So here is the Parker 45 pen and pencil set in its original box. And let's take them out and see what they need in terms of restoration. Not much, actually. These Parker 45s are very simple to fix if they need fixing. They were the first cartridge converter pens made by Parker when they made the Parker cartridge back in 1960. There are a few abrasions on the body. Just needs some cleaning. The cap is in good shape, no dents. Just needs some polishing. The pencil is in very good shape. No dents in the cap. Body just needs polishing, and it retracts and expels lead. Those are 1mm leads. I'll focus on the Parker 45 to begin with. Here's an original pamphlet from the Parker 45 from the 60s on how to insert the cartridges and how to use a cartridge converter. Very cool vintage stuff. Let's take the cap off and we'll see the body. The shell is in really good shape. There are some scratches here that are probably deep enough to need micro mesh. But these pens, as I said, are really easy to take apart. I've put a Pen BBS converter in it for now. That fits. It'll take Parker long and short cartridges or a Parker converter as well. On the Parker 45s, there was no shell to take off. The nose cone unscrews very simply, he said, as he struggles to open it.
What are you doing?
There we go. And that's all one unit. That's all one unit. And we get closer, we can see the gold nib and collar and feed assembly. So you simply, I've already rinsed this out in the electrosonic, so it comes apart easily, but if it's difficult for you to take apart, just soak it overnight in a glass of water. Don't need anything else. And then you just pull that little collar back and remove the nib. And there's the feed. I've been dip testing this, so it's got a little bit of ink on it. And there's the little collar. And here's the very tiny Parker 14 karat gold, made in the USA. Doesn't say whether it's medium or fine, but I think this is a medium. It might actually be a fine. We'll find out when we put it back together again and write with it. So all of this stuff is going to go in the ultrasonic bath just for a final rinse to get any old ink out of the inside of the cap and things like that. And then we'll come back and polish up the shell and the barrel, get those scratches off of there, and then use some metal polish and some jeweler's polishing cloth on the cap to get it all polished up. And then we'll go after the pencil as well. So we'll get the set working like it's new again. Now let's put the whole thing back together again. That nib fits right on that feed perfectly, aligned. And then you slide the collar on with the wide part to the top. And it sits just in there like that, perfectly. Wipe off my finger marks. Screw the nose cone back in. Give it a final wipe down here. And you'd be hard pressed to say whether that was new old stock. or vintage. Beautiful condition. Still a little wet inside the cap. And there we go. Beautiful. Let's put the converter back in it. Again, this is a pen BBS converter. Fits perfectly. And we are ready to ink this pen up for a writing test. Beautiful Parker 45 from about early 60s. And here we go, the writing sample with this circa 1960s Parker 45. And it's definitely got a medium, if not a broad, medium 14 karat gold nib. And it's very wet and very smooth. Oh my goodness. With just a touch of feedback. Let's check this line thickness out. Yeah, this is a 0.6 millimeter line, which is a Western medium. The Parker 45 was developed in the 1950s and released in 1960. It was designed by Don Doman, who also designed the Jotter, Parker 61, Parker VP, Parker T1, and Liquid Lead. He based it on an Eversharp design called the Eversharp 10,000, a cartridge pen designed by Eversharp, and Parker acquired Eversharp in 1957. Doman initially kept the metal cap and the arrow clip of the Parker 51, but redesigned the clip to be like the Parker 21 Super, introduced in 1956. Parker made the Parker 45 model for an astonishing 48 years, making over 75 million of them. The Parker 45 is sleek, lightweight, and balanced. It is one of the best, if not the best, posters in fountain pen history. It takes modern Parker cartridges, either one long or two short, with one in the pen and one in the barrel as a spare. The small 14 karat gold nib is as smooth as silk, and the disassembly of the 45 is the simplest you'll ever see. It can be taken apart completely for cleaning and maintenance and reassembled in seconds with no special tools. This set cleaned and polished up easily, and the set is looking and writing as if it was brand new. I'm offering this Parker 45 pen and pencil set for sale for $120 US plus shipping. Let me know if you're interested by sending me an email at inkquiringminds@gmail.com, and I'll let you know how to pay using PayPal and get you a shipping quote. And there you have it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell to get instant notifications whenever a new video is posted. And you can join as a member of my channel for only 99 cents a month, and I guarantee I'll answer your comments in the comment section, and you'll get cool emojis, badges, sneak peek unboxing videos, as well as instant access to my videos the moment I post them. And that just leaves it for me to say, thank you for watching. And that's all she wrote.